TZ2 calf, posterior leg, mobility strategies, three-dimensionally. Motion, we'll be taking a step up and onto the box using our sagittal plane preset common driver of the wedge. With our foot going straight up the wedge, foot has to stay flat. In the sagittal plane, we'll be moving both arms up and overhead authentically to help create the slide and the glide that we need in the pelvis. From the top down in TZ2, create the dorsiflexion, the inversion, as well as the abduction in the foot and the ankle complex. We're taking our step. In the frontal plane with the top down driver, we'll go left hand on our hip. As we take our step up, the right hand is going to reach overhead and to the left. Right hand is going to reach overhead and to the left. And for the transverse plane, we'll take a step up and we'll rotate and twist, almost with a reverse wood chop, up from left hip as a starting spot, and then up overhead and to the right, which will allow us, as we get up overhead, to create more hip extension, which helps us as our top-down driver goes rotation-wise, will give us more internal rotation of the right hip and abduction at the mid-tarsal joint. And then a combination of both a top-down driver in the frontal and the transverse plane. As we take a step up, the left arm is going to rotate and twist from left hip up to overhead and to the right, and then right arm is going to reach overhead to the left. It is a type 1 in sync thoracic spine matrix strategy. TZ2 Advanced calf posterior leg stretches, mobility with the stepping strategies.